Welcome back everyone. Just had this car delivered. I paid. This is the first DS3 I had in stock, and we were chatting with Jason about this car about a few months ago, saying that we both like this car, but for some reason we never had one for sale. Now this was the right time to buy one, especially this funky color combination, pink and white. I think it looks really smart. Obviously not for me, but I think someone is gonna find this car very attractive. I paid £1,800 for the car, which is a bargain. Well, plus fees, delivery and all that, let's say 2,300 altogether, something like that. And it retails for about 4,000, 3,995. I mean, at least that's my plan, to sell it for that much. The bodywork is pretty good. It's got a little bit rust here. I need to get that sorted. The alloys are a bit scuffed. Now these are the diamond cut, and last time I restored one of these, it was a bit difficult, but maybe I can make them look better. Not perfect, but better. This one is a bit worse. Actually no, it's not worse than the other one, it's just this is sticking out a little bit. But overall the body is really good, apart from the lacquer peel. So as you can see, the roof is not great. This is all coming off here as well. And on this side. Now I've already been to the body shop, and all this is costing me 100 quid, which is not bad. So all this is going to get redone all the way to here. I just hope that he can find the right color. But yeah, bodywork is pretty good. This is sticking out a little bit, but well, fixed. That was an easy fix. You get the car opened. It's not bad, not bad. It needs a refresh, but I think this interior is quite smart. I think it looks really nice. The seats are not bad either. They just need a quick clean. Back seats are okay. It's got the floor mats in the boot, which has like a pink contour. I assume there's a copy of the guy who delivered the car. Got a few scratches here. Let's have a look under the bonnet. You okay? Not bad, you?
Yeah, good, thank you.
As expected, a bit dirty, but it's an easy job. Probably take me about 5 minutes to get it done. This looks like it's falling off. I need to put that back in. So the car is pretty good. I'm happy with the car. It needs a service, I know that for sure. It's got full service history, which is brilliant. And I think it's just gonna fly out the door. Now I'm gonna take the car for a test drive to see if it needs anything else. And then I'll check with the garage, and I'll get the car booked in and hopefully get it sorted as soon as possible. Now today's Thursday, The guy at the body shop can do the roof on Tuesday, which is not bad. It's not too long, but I prefer like next day if it's possible, and sell the car by next week. But yeah, now before I take the car out on a test drive with this pink roof and the white color combo, I think I know the right song for this car. Now let's see. Yeah, it starts okay. It sounds okay. The gearbox feels alright. Now let's see how it drives. Now I like to do my test drives on this road because it's got these speed bumps and it's quiet. So far it drives okay, but there's only one thing. There's a knock coming from that side. It's not noticeable. Let's say if a customer gets in the car and drives the car, he probably won't notice that, but I do notice that, and it needs to be checked. Now there is an advisory on the last MOT which was done just last month, and it says something about the road ball joint, which, yeah, definitely a knock, and it does sound like a road ball joint or whatever it's called. So we need to get that one checked. Let's see how it drives on the motorway, because I always take my cars on the motorway to see how they drive. And I like to test everything before I take the car to the garage. Then at least I get a rough idea of what's wrong with the car. So far it feels okay. It's got plenty of power. Let's see if cruise control works. Yeah, it does. Works perfectly. Let's see if the AC works. Yeah, cold as ice. No jitters in the steering wheel. The car doesn't pull. I'll try again on straight line. Yeah, it drives lovely. Beside that knock, everything seems alright. The engine sounds okay. There's no smoking coming out. It keeps telling me that needs the oil changed. Yeah, I'm happy with the car so far. Electric mirrors work. Sound system.
You know, and it's smooth, and he started to show like a quiet.
The windows, I've checked them already. Yeah, can't find anything wrong with the car. Drives lovely. Right, I've done the test drive. It's all good. I managed to pop in at the garage. They had a look at the car, and yes, it is the near side front suspension road ball joint. And they booked me in 2 hours, which is great. So they'll get the car done today, serviced. They'll get that changed. They'll do a proper 50-point inspection check, so hopefully the car doesn't need anything else. The owner is very nice. I know he's going to be watching these videos, so thank you so much for all your help. And yeah, the car will be done today. Yay! And also, for some reason, my English is shit in front of the camera. I don't know why. I just get intimidated when I'm in front of the camera. I'm not used to talking in front of the camera. And even on my last video, I look a little bit sad, a little bit upset, but I'm normally not like that. It's just I get very serious when the camera is on for some reason. But in real life, I'm not like that at all. Now, I've got a request for you guys. Because I haven't been posting much in the last 2 months, YouTube has stopped recommending my videos. So I just need a little bit help with the algorithm. So please like my video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. That will help me a lot. So please help me to hit 1,000 subscribers. That would be great. So I really need this support from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch up on the next one. Bye.